Now we're going to be doing solving more involved with fractions, which is really no big deal, okay? But there is a rule that's very important with inequalities, and you're going to be learning it with inequalities and absolute value, okay? This rule, anytime you have an inequality, always stands. I don't care what application it is, it always stands. And what is that rule? Anytime I have a negative associated with a variable, in order to solve, I have to do something. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. In order for me to solve, I'm going to bring the 3 over to this side. Minus 3, minus 3. I'm left with this. Because I have a negative associated with a variable, because that's a negative 1x, I now would have to...
Times it by 1.
No, I'd have to divide out by negative 1 both sides. Right. So from left to right, and the reason why I'm saying this, because we're coming to compound inequalities, so it makes it easier what I'm telling you. That's the formal thing that we're doing, because it's a negative 1. You're dividing out by negative 1. From left to right, you switch signs. So I start here the moment I see this, left to right, x, switch signs.
Gotcha.
Left to right. So, what does this mean? If I have this, that's a negative. Left to right, just switch signs and solve.
Do you want me to do it?
No.
Oh.
I'm going to show you another one. This is also a negative associated with a variable.
So you're telling me as soon as I see the negative and
when you've
shorten it, just
for solving for x. In other words, when you've got an x by itself and something's associated with it, okay, left to right, switch signs. So this, let me just highlight which we started with, this and this one.
Right.
So this now becomes this. I switch signs, switch signs, switch signs. Switch sign, switch sign, switch sign, switch sign, switch sign, switch sign. Negative becomes positive. Less than becomes greater than. Positive becomes negative. Got it? Left to right, switch signs. I'm just giving you examples of what is I mean associated with the x. Clearly, I'm not ready to switch signs yet.
Yeah.
I got it isolated first. That's what we're really talking about. You're going to be having this with absolute value as well. It's a rule that always is there. Okay?